And so today I'm going to show you how to make an obelisk for climbing peas and beans up. I'm often asked how to make these, so here's what you need. 20 or so big stakes and 40 to 50 smaller rods for weaving with. If the big stakes are willow, it's good to trim the bark off first so that the willow itself doesn't grow. And in a circle this size, I put the stakes roughly 6 to 8 inches apart, and it should take up about 40 rods. When you get near the end, the spacing might be a bit off, so I tend to shift them about until I'm happy with it. There we go. Once they're all in, we tie them all at the top. And this helps to keep the structure strong enough while you're weaving it. Once it's tied, we're ready to start weaving. 2 rods in consecutive gaps, always taking the one behind to leapfrog over the other and in and out of the uprights until you get to near the end of the rods, and then we replace them with 2 others. I tend to start with the thick ends or butts every time. Put the first rod underneath and then over the top, and I twist it around the end of the first rod I'm replacing and weave. Second rod goes under, then over. It's joined with the old second rod and weave on. So that's the basis of the weaving. It's called pairing. And then it's just a matter of going round and round the basket, placing rods as you go. I tend to go right round to where I started and then start rising slowly up the stakes. So you may go round and round this obelisk many times, but it should only take about 15 or 20 minutes. And eventually you get near the top, and you'll know when it's enough. So there we have an obelisk ready for planting. So I hope this video has been useful to you, and if you'd like more, please subscribe to the Big Green Art YouTube channel.